How to enable notifications in the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode app and wondering on how to enable the notifications on it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode app, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to enable the notifications, tap onto settings at the top right here. Now select it. Then here you can find notifications right here. Now to enable it, simply tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And now you can see the notifications has been turned on. Now you can also add the time to the daily reminder. Tap onto the time and you can simply add the time and tap onto OK. And that's it. This is how you can enable the notifications in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.